Riveters Tuesdays nights, guys. Check it out.
Let's go, let's go, let's go, Brandon. Let's go, Brandon.
You know what they saying, ho?
Let's go, Brandon. Let's go, Brandon.
You know what they saying, ho?
Let's go, Brandon. Let's go, Brandon.
You know what they saying, ho?
Let's go, Brandon. Let's go, Brandon.
Hey, you know what they saying, ho? Hey, you know what they saying, though? Hey, you know what they, yeah, you know what they, yeah, hey. And I say it with a passion as I pull off in the Aston. Don't nobody like his ass, huh? Tried to cover up and tell the people, go Brandon. But we know what they saying, though. You can hear the chant in every post. Don't nobody want this commie cause we not in China. Everybody hated Trump and now they out to catch a body. That's what they get for treating us like we in Squid Games. Green light, mandate, like he's insane. These times people waking up to everything. Go Brandon, but we all know what the saying mean.
Let's go, Brandon. Let's go, Brandon.
You know what they saying, ho?
Let's go, Brandon. Let's go, Brandon.
You know what they saying, ho?
Let's go, Brandon. Let's go, Brandon.
You know what they saying, ho?
Let's go, Brandon. Let's go, Brandon.
Hey, you know what they saying, ho? Hey, you know what they saying, though? Hey, you know what they, yeah, you know what they, yeah, hey.
And I'm pulling up in that fast one. And you know this be the anthem. Hey, got the people saying he handsome. All around the world they screaming, let's go Brandon. Yeah, TikTok my people dancing. Canada, man, they really try to ban them. Yeah, FJB from Grandma down. Got the whole world screaming out the acronym. Yeah, what they saying we already know. Got too big for them niggas try to ban the post. Woke up to my bro going #1. Let's go Brandon, man, they going dumb.
Let's go, Brandon.